Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be giving you some tips on how to reset all mobile data in your device Xcover 6 Pro. So if you want to reset all mobile data of your device Xcover 6 Pro, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to reset all mobile data in your device.